Video of Vietnamese tourist begging on his knees for refund from Singapore con artist goes viral. Singapore's clean reputation took a hit on Monday after a scam by a cell phone shop was outed by the media. The scam works like this. The customer, usually a tourist, buys a phone for a reasonable price. The shop then has the customer sign an agreement, usually in English. Finally, after the victim's credit card has been swiped, the victim notices an extra 1,500 Singapore dollar charge, which they are told is the cost of a warranty. When the customer complains, the shop owner goes gangster and threatens him or her by saying, "You signed this! You're on camera signing this! No refunds, la!" Reports say the scam worked most of the time as the intimidated tourist tended to give up without a fight. But the scam came to light after the shop owner tried the move on a Vietnamese tourist who bought a phone for his girlfriend. The man, a factory worker who claimed to make just $200 US a month, broke down in tears and actually got down on his knees begging the shop to refund him. Video of the incident went viral, prompting some kind Singaporeans to raise funds to cover the man's losses. What's more, the name and home address of the unscrupulous salesman, Jover Chow Henderson Road, was posted on the web alongside some less than flattering pics. Busted!
Did you miss a teacher sex story? Visit the Nasty or Nice section on TomoNews.net.